funny student. As you know that today we are going to study narration. This is second lecture of narration. In previous videos we deeply discussed about what is narration, what is direct and indirect speech, what is reporting verb and reported speech. In previous video we discussed about reporting verb, inverted commas, pronoun. So if you have any doubt after see this video, you can see my previous videos. So let's begin from tense. Today we are going to study about tense changing in narration. Rules for the tense changing in narration. So, if our reporting verb is in present or future tense, if our reporting verb is in present or future tense, then there will be no change. The tense of reported speech. अगर हमारा रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर टेंस में होता है तो हमारे रिपोर्टेड स्पीच के टेंस में कोई चेंजिंग नहीं होती. फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स सी Ram says Hari has gone to Agra. So when we convert it into direct and indirect speech, Ram says, when we remove inverted comma, in the place of inverted comma we put that Hari. Now has also same here. Because our reporting verb is in present tense. हमारा जो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब है वो प्रेजेंट टेंस में, इसलिए रिपोर्टेड स्पीच की टेंस में कोई चेंजिंग नहीं हुआ. लेट्स सी अनदर एग्जांपल. Ram will say Shan is very honest boy. So he will say that Shan is very honest boy. In previous video we deeply discussed about reporting verb and reported speech. This part reporting verb, this part is called reported speech. If you have any doubt about reporting verb and reported speech, you can see my first lecture of narration. So let's discuss. When reporting verb is in present or future tense, then the tense of reported speech will not change. change the tense of reported speech. Let's see. When our reporting verb is in past tense, then reported speech tense also will be in past tense. Reported speech tense also will be in past tense. Let's see example. He said, I am a good boy. So here reporting verb is in past tense. He said that. Now I change into subject. In previous video also we discussed about pronoun changing. How pronoun change? एक फॉर्मूला मैंने आपको बताया था, son, upon, 1, 2, 3. First person change regarding to subject, second person change regarding to object, third person change no change. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट पर्सन I, second person you, third person he, she, it, they or anyone. So here I change regarding to subject he. Now main point is that and it is present and reporting verb is in past. तो हमारा डेफिनेशन क्या है? If reporting verb is in past tense, then our reported speech tense also will be in past. So he was a good boy. I hope you clear about this. He said to me, I am your best friend. He, reporting verb is in past tense. He told me that. I change regarding to subject. He was. You सेकेंड पर्सन पॉसेसिव फॉर्म है. किसके हिसाब से? सेकेंड पर्सन. क्योंकि किसके हिसाब से चेंज होता है? सेकेंड पर्सन चेंज रिगार्डिंग टू ऑब्जेक्ट. ही सेड टू मी. ऑब्जेक्ट इज मी. आई, माई, मी. हियर योर, यू, योर. यू का योर पॉसेसिव फॉर्म है, तो आई का पॉसेसिव फॉर्म क्या होगा? माई. My best friend. I hope you clear about this. When if our reporting word is in past, then our reported speech tense also will be in past. from tense changing. Simple present change simple past. Let's see with example. Ram said, Sohan tells a lie. Here reporting verb is in past. Ram said that Sohan now tells simple present converted into simple past. Tells told. Second form told a lie. Present continuous change past continuous. He said Shyam is writing a letter. He said that Shyam is writing, was writing a letter. Third, Shyam Shyam said Chahat has completed her work. Shyam said that Chahat had completed her work. Now present perfect change past perfect. Simple present, simple past, present continuous become past continuous, present perfect change past completed her work. Has present perfect. Shan said that Chahat had completed. Past perfect. Present indefinite, past indefinite, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect tense. Fourth, present perfect continuous change past perfect continuous. He said it He said it has been raining since morning. उसने कहा कि सुबह से बारिश हो रही है. He said that it had been, has been become had been raining since morning. Now past indefinite change past perfect. Past indefinite को past perfect में change करते हैं. Let's see with example. He said the cat did. Past indefinite. He said that the cat did. Past perfect. Had did. In the night. Now past indefinite become past perfect. He said the cat did. Past indefinite become past perfect. He said that the cat had did in the night. Now, past continuous chain, past perfect continuous, past continuous को past perfect continuous में चेंज करते हैं. Teacher said students were learning their lesson. This is past continuous. Past continuous change into past perfect continuous. Teacher said that students had been learning their lesson. Now, were learning become had been learning. In simply we can say that past continuous change past perfect continuous. Now, sixth rule. Now, past perfect and past perfect continuous, no change. How? Let's see with example. He said Ram had won the match. Now it is in past perfect tense. So there will be no change. If your tense is in past perfect and past perfect continuous, no change. He said that Ram had won the match. Now we see that there is no change. The tense of reported speech, because past perfect and past perfect continuous, no change. Let's see another example. Past perfect continuous. Now we see past perfect continuous. Shan said, "Chad had been reading since morning." This is had been past perfect continuous. It changed into there will be no change because our case is in past perfect continuous. Shan said that when we remove inverted comma in the place of inverted comma, we put always that. So it is the last rule of tense changing narration when our reporting verb is in past tense, then there will be also reported speech tense also will be in past. But when our past perfect continuous and past perfect, there will be no change. Shan said, "Chad had been reading since morning." Chad had been reading since morning. It is past perfect continuous. Then there will be no change of past perfect continuous. So I hope that you clear about this, the rule of tense changing. If you have any doubt, you can see my previous videos. Thank you so much.